Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a clean and decorate with me for fall. So we're going to be just giving the house a deep clean, like the living room, kitchen area. I'm going to show you some of my new decor. So let's get into it. So I'm transitioning my couch here over to more neutral tones for fall, and then I'm just going to do like a pop of gold here and there. I picked up a few of these blankets over at Costco for like 12 bucks each, and I like to cover my couch to help save and preserve the couch with the toddler. He's like dumping milk and stuff like that, so it just helps save on how much I'm having to wash the cushions. It doesn't look great, but hey, it's a lot easier to wash blankets than it is to have to remove all of your couch cushions all the time. So that is why I like to put blankets on. So the pillows I have here, some are from Target, some are from my Texas home at Walmart. Really affordable, really pretty, good quality pillows. And I love to use just a little hand vac to vacuum up the crumbs off the table prior to wiping it down. Just makes things a lot easier. So for this little centerpiece, what I did is I made a tape grid, super easy to do. And then I just started placing each stem in just separately, nice and even, and then alternating in each color. I thought that it came out really cute, so easy. Got this stuff from Michael's. I'll link everything down below in case you're interested. So one of my favorite things about this time of year is obviously fall candles. So this is where I keep most of my candles, and I'm just organizing them here by fall, summer, and winter, and then just switching some things out, decluttering what I bought and maybe I don't like and what I could pass on. The Bath & Body Works candles, and really probably any candle that comes with a pretty jar, is perfect for repurposing, but I've kept too many lids here, so I'm just decluttering the ones that I don't think that I'll be keeping. And I want to share with you my new method for cleaning. So what I do is I put 2 boxes, one for relocate, one for declutter. This is easy, so I can just place everything in the boxes, and then once I'm done cleaning, I can put everything away. Otherwise, I'm walking from room to room, upstairs to downstairs, and by the time I get everything put away, I'm just over cleaning. And another hack here is if you have light furniture, get yourself some Dawn dish spray foam. It works really good at quickly removing stains off of your furniture. I just like to use it with a little baby wipe and I'm good to go. How often do you guys wash your oven mitts? So it's been a while for me. I got to throw them in the washer. But I love that little vacuum. Just so good at just vacuuming out drawers and getting in all the little nooks and crannies. So popping in here, for this arrangement, I wanted something super simple, like for the island, and then I'm gonna put like a couple pumpkins and then the candle. So I got all this at Michael's. It came together, and then I just put these in the back. I kind of have to fluff them and stuff, but I wanted to go with like traditional fall colors and just something very easy. I didn't want to go crazy with like putting together an elaborate, centerpiece with a bunch of different florals. And I wanted to save money, so this worked. If you can see in there, I just implemented let me see if there's like another area I can show you. The tape grid as well to make sure everything was nice and spaced, and I should probably take the tags off, but just wanted to share with you because it's super easy to do and it's not too expensive. All right, so I got some dishes to put away. I need to clean like the coffee maker and the whole area over there. It's disgusting. There's coffee splattered everywhere.
already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away.
These arrangements are going on each side of my stove, so I'm just doing the tape grid, spacing them nice and even, kind of pulling them apart, making sure that they sit nice. Super easy, 1, 2, 3, and you have some little fall decor. So how gorgeous are these pillow covers? They just came in the mail. So this is what I'm gonna be adding to my couch. And then I got these fall towels from Target for like 15 bucks. There's a bunch of them, all different patterns and prints. Super cute. And I think I'm gonna do maybe this one. And I will link everything down below. And if you can't tell by the look on my face, this is probably one of my most hated chores, emptying all the crumbs out, because I'm the only one who ever does it. So it's got to be done. There's a lot going on in there, so kind of took me a while. So 1 toaster down, 1 to go. This appliance is awesome. It is the Drew Barrymore line. It's called Beautiful, I believe. It's at Walmart. This is an all-in-one like convection oven, air fryer. You can do everything in this. It's a little bit bulky, but I really, really, really like it. So I actually use my little hand vac to clean out the crumbs inside, just made things a little bit easier. And since it's white and it's new, I want to keep up on it and make sure it looks nice and new and it lasts a long time. So I like to use the Weeman, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's the like granite and marble and quartz cleaner. It's really good, streak-free, smells great, and it's just a nice polish. It helps keep your counters looking very sparkly. So one last thing I'm doing here before I vacuum and move on, cleaning my stainless steel appliances with the Weeman wipes. They're awesome. They're no fuss, so easy to use, love them, and great at removing all those fingerprints and like sticky little kid goop. So this is a weird question, but do you guys clean barefoot or do you wear sneakers or slippers, sandals? Let me know down below in the comments. I feel like I'm usually either barefoot or I wear slippers, but I should be using some type of support because my feet are always killing me from walking around barefoot. I have to apologize for the lighting here. I don't know what's going on. I think just because it's getting darker and my camera just wasn't adjusting. So I'm sorry that it has a very yellow undertone. Okay, so do you remember when I said that I wasn't going to have toys all over my living room? Well, I lied. It's just too hard right now. My son is 1, he's gonna be 2 soon. And, you know, this just makes sense right now. So a lot of these toys, some of them were outside, but now that it's getting colder, I've brought them inside. So I just need to clean up, organize, put some stuff away into the cabinet. And then I have the box to declutter. And I also have the box of stuff that needs to be relocated. So some of this stuff I'm moving over to the playroom. So over here, I just did really simple arrangements. I got these from Michael's, super easy, just pop them in, 1, 2, 3. Thinking about changing the paint because this is like the color that it was when we moved in. It's pulling really yellow right now because it's getting dark out, but I want to go for like more of a white color so it's not so like yellow toned, and a lot of the decorating that was already done, my daughter just kind of put out pumpkins and stuff all over the place. It actually looks cute. I might just leave it to fix this one up a little bit. But I just put this pumpkin here, and then I ordered another like white and gold little ginger jar. It didn't come in yet, but I'm gonna put it there. So I'm just gonna keep things very minimal and easy right there, since this is like all of my son's toys right now. And you know, he's not gonna be playing with this stuff forever. So eventually in this cabinet, I'll be able to put like different vases or like storage things, stuff like that. For right now, it's just housing all of his toys, and that's what works for this stage of life that we are in now. And then I just did real simple, easy arrangements here. And I cut the stems up, put them in. I'll probably add a little bit more because it's looking a little sparse. Left the frames as is, added a couple pumpkins here just to keep it really simple. And that's it, just a couple pumpkins here and there. So that's it for this fall clean and decorate with me. Wanted to keep things really simple, and I wanted to make it manageable for what we need in the house right now and what's realistic with kids and a toddler and, you know, breaking decor and that kind of thing. I'm sure you guys can relate if you have little kids or if you had little kids at one point. And thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I do all different types of cleaning and organizing, makeup, beauty related content here on my channel. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.